everybody, my name is Alex Hampton. I'm an exhibit fabricator here at the museum. And what that means is that I work on a small team that builds and maintains all of the exhibits that you guys come and engage with when you come here to see us. Most recently, a project that we worked on was restoring some mosaics in our Allen family courtyard. Here's two of them. You can see them there. It's a little snail and a butterfly. And it really got us thinking that it might be fun if you guys could create and have mosaics that you could have at your home. And I really just want to thank the Houston Arts Alliance for allowing us to take this work digital to bring it to you. Now you'll need a few things to do these mosaics at home. You're going to need at least 7 popsicle sticks if you have them. If not, we can go without. Construction paper, that's the most important part, and some glue. You can use a glue stick, or I've just got plain old Elmer's glue here, whatever you prefer and whatever you have around. This is really just supposed to be something fun and easy that you can do with the things you already have laying around your house. All right, so to start, we're going to build the frame. It's going to take a little while for that glue to dry, so this is where I would really make sure you start before you get your picture put together, because by the time you're done making your mosaic, the glue should be dried and then you can put it all together for your final assembly. So we're going to start by just taking 4 of our 7 popsicle sticks, set 3 of those to the side for later. We will need them, but they're not important right now. So basically what you want to do is you're going to take some glue, and you just want to put a little bit in each corner. You're just going to overlap the corners enough so that you can give as much space for your artwork as possible. It doesn't really matter how they overlap. It's really up to you for your personal preference on this part. So, get creative with it. So here we go. We're just going to put a couple drops of glue just to hold it in place. And as you can see there, we've got a nice big square that'll make the base of our frame for our art piece. All right, so now it's finally time that we can build our mosaic and we can really show off our art skills. So this piece here, this is going to be the base. This is going to represent what would be the mortar if you were to do this mosaic traditionally. So typically I like to choose a darker color, but it doesn't really matter. You can do whatever you want, whatever color you want to show through the cracks in your mosaic. Now with some adult supervision, go ahead and cut this piece out so that it just fits the back of the frame. You're going to make sure that that's what gets attached later, so it needs to fit that. It looks like it's about 6 inches by 6 inches, but that'll vary depending on the popsicle sticks you have. Now I actually went ahead and pre-cut out some squares here. I figured you guys wouldn't want to see me doing all that boring work, but you don't even have to cut them. If you want, you can just tear these and get all kinds of fun shapes. And that's what's going to be the design aspect of your mosaic. You're going to glue these to your base, and that'll give you that really great look. All right, guys, now that we have our artwork, we're going to go ahead and frame it. So to do that, what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and take that piece from earlier, and you want to go ahead and flip it over from the side that you originally glued, and we're going to glue our artwork directly onto the popsicle sticks. That'll make sure that it stays in place and it stays really nice and secure. So you're not going to need a lot of glue, probably about 6 drops. I like to do it in the corners, and then right in the middle, and that'll just hold your piece of art right where it needs to be. So we're going to go ahead and center that. Get it glued into place. All right, now while that dries, you're going to take 2 of the 3 popsicle sticks from earlier, and you're going to sandwich them onto the edges to really hold that piece in. So just a little bit more glue, and what you're going to do is you'll just take a strip and run it right along here. And then you're just going to press that popsicle stick down. And go ahead and let that set until it dries, and you'll just do the other side the exact same way. Just a strip of glue right down the middle. Go ahead and sandwich that popsicle stick on. And this might take a little bit of time, but you can see we've got our 3 layers there. It doesn't show up too great there, but what that does is that really makes sure that that piece of artwork is not going to come out of this frame. So while that dries, you can go ahead and take that last popsicle stick. And this is only if you would like to display it like this one is here. So as you can see there, we have a piece, that last popsicle stick is angled on the back. And to do that, all we did was take this popsicle with some scissors. Now again, if you're using scissors, please always use adult supervision. And just go ahead and cut that right at the edge to give you a nice, nice flat surface. That's going to be your connection point. So then you just go ahead and take the other edge, the rounded side, and you stick it onto the back of the frame towards the center. And what you'll do is you'll glue that piece right onto the back. And that'll give you that nice angle so that your mosaic can stand up and be displayed. Now, if you don't want to use that display method, you can also maybe stick a piece of wire on the back so that you can hang it on the wall. Or you could even find a way to hang it to the fridge with some magnets if you have some extra magnets and some hot glue. Alright guys, so that's how you're going to go ahead and make your mosaic. As you can see, we've got, like I said earlier, the cool landscape or just the art. It doesn't matter. You can make whatever you want. That's the beauty of artwork. I want to go ahead and thank the Houston Arts Alliance for allowing us to bring this to you guys and take it digital. And yeah, tune in with us, and we look forward to having you guys back in the museum soon, and we look forward to seeing the mosaics that you make at home. Bye.